Finally, it is part 3 of this video. Hello, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today we are on part 3 of my 3-day garage sale extravaganza, the last one of the summer. I've been working tonight, so this is on, but brings some beautiful lighting if I do say so myself. Let's get started. Things first, I have a very unexciting item. These Skechers. Skechers do have a great sell-through rate. These are the Skechers Goga Max. They're very, very clean, and they were $5, and I believe they are a size 11. Yep, size 11, so they are my size. Unfortunately, I don't need any more tennis shoes, so I will sell these, but they should sell pretty fast. I got this Reebok NFL Bears winter coat for women. It does have the fur hood. Fur hood is in great condition. This is the perfect time to list it as it is getting cooler outside. Well, it will be getting cooler. People are thinking about coats right now. All right, I got this Carhartt jacket. It's not like the super thick one. It's just got like the mesh on the inside, but it is a nice workwear jacket, and it is in a size extra large, navy blue. I sell so many of these. I also got this. This is not in very good shape, but honestly with kids stuff, it really doesn't matter. This is a Patagonia fleece zip up in a size youth large or 12. And I think it was $1, $2 maybe. We got some Patagonia little swim trunks for boys. It is in a boy's size medium. It's the nice Patagonia tag. I don't know. Oh, there's the Patagonia hit on the bottom. This is a Patagonia family. I also got a size medium Patagonia long sleeve shirt with the logo on the front. So got a, this is an older one. It is a youth size large, like union made Carhartt jacket. And then also I got these youth Carhartt overalls, and I believe these were also $8 as well. Yep, they're a youth large, so 14, 16. I also, these I'm pretty excited about. This is an Under Armour Storm size large, like ski pants, snowboarding pants, snow pants, but I love the pattern. This looks like a really modern Under Armour piece in a women's large. So these probably retailed for $150. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to get for them, but I think I paid $12 for these. Nike vest, it is reversible, so the other side is just black with the Nike logo. I think it's a women's small. I'll have to check the tag inside the pocket, but this should do really well. Also got another Carhartt kids workwear jacket. I think this is a small, possibly. This is also union made in a youth large. These are a pair of Big Star, which I don't normally spend a ton on Big Star. These are the Live Slim boot, but they do still have the bling on them, and they do have both buttons. All the bling is still there, so I decided to pick those up. They are low rise, so maybe they're back in style. Also got this Patagonia Better sweater. I love the color, and it's in beautiful condition. I don't think it's really been worn very much, in a women's small. I did pay $15 for this, but honestly, I just average out the prices because some things I pay $1 for that are worth way, way more. I can probably get 40 to 50 for that. I got this Kipling bag at the storage unit sale, and it does still have the rubber little monkey on it. I do think I need to wash it because I think I smell just like a hint of something on it. So I will throw that in my wash pile. These were from the free garage sale, and they are in beautiful condition. They are Bear Paws in a size 9. Just a really nice lace up wintry style boot. Love that. I really wish they were my size because they're adorable. This was also in someone's free pile. This is a Vintage Empire blow mold. It does not have the light bulb in it or cord, but somebody could easily replace that. I need to clean it up, but this is probably, I don't know, $20 to $30 plus shipping, and it was free. This I paid $2 for just based on style. This is something that somebody probably purchased off of like Alibaba or something because it does not have any brand in it, but it is a size medium. But even though it's unbranded, it should still do well based on style. It's a nice fall shacket. Sure if this has any resale value or not, but it was in good shape. It did have the brand on it, made in the USA. It is a nice tool belt. This was in somebody's free pile as well, so you know I'm gonna grab it, and if it's not worth anything, I will definitely donate it. It's a Pottery Barn Eric Carle crib sheets, and there's 2 of them in here. So used, these Eric Carle Hungry Caterpillar crib sheets were going for like 30 to 40 bucks per sheet. So this $2 could be 75 to 80, but it's most likely going to be around 60. A DeWalt tool bag. I do need to ask my husband if he wants an extra one of these, but it is in very clean condition. This was from the free sale. I'm going to send these into ThreadUp. They are just the pink yoga crop leggings in a size small. You also get this Sven pillow pet at the free sale. It did say $8 on it, but they just gave up and decided to give everything away for free, like right as I was pulling up. It was beautiful. Another baby carrier. I am the baby carrier queen. This is from the brand Happy, and I did look it up, and it is like a really nice linen. It's a pretty recent brand, I would say. It's the same style as like an Ergo Baby or a Tula, but again, it's a trendy brand, 100% linen. These retail for $189. Some are $169, but I did see some for $189. And it's a really nice gender neutral color, so I think this should resell really well. I paid $15. Sells super well, but these were only, I think, $6, and they're in really great shape. They are the little like sweater cardigan ones, and the bottoms are beautiful. I think they are a size 7, and these should do pretty well. Also grabbed these Tony Llama boots. These are a women's size 7.5B. I'm thinking 40 to 50 bucks on these, and I paid 7 or 8. This is also at the free sale. So this is a men's, what is this? It's a men's Old Navy blazer in a size large, and is this linen? This is just a cotton spandex blend, but it is really nice looking. I will list that. Also got these 2 Medela breast pumps in somebody's free pile. They just wanted everything gone. They were cheering when I took them. So the motors do sell, and I have another one that I haven't listed yet, so I will list the lot of 3 together, and I should get 50 to 60 bucks for them. We're also from the free sale, so I got these American Eagle just skinny jeans. I think they're a size 12. They're the Tom Girl. No, they're a size 10, but they're like the Tom Girl jeans. I will still list these and just take whatever offer. These cute little ghost lights at a church garage sale, so I got these for 50 cents a piece. So really, really cute. I may lot these together and just sell them as a whole set because they do look very similar, and I think I need to get these listed like ASAP. I also have 3 bags of Crown Royal bags. Somebody had an entire bin of Crown Royal bags, all different colors. They said they were 25 cents a piece. I said, what will you take for them all? And they told me $10. So I bought 3 of these size bags for $10, and I'm gonna lot them all up for crafting purposes. I had like 210 of these the last time I sold them. They sold for $140 plus shipping, so I am very happy to grab Crown Royal bags. I also got these Skechers Luxe Foam sandals for $2, and they are in wonderful shape. I don't think anybody really ever wore those, so I got it the free sale as well. This is a Nike Dry Fit pair of leggings. They are a newer style, so I may list them, but they're a nice high rise, and they're like a stirrup leg, so they're a pretty good size, and they don't look like they've really ever been worn, so I will most likely list those. Paid $9 for all of these Tupperware trays, and I think I'm gonna I think there's 21 or 22 trays here. I'm gonna separate them into lots of 10, I think. Depending on what their resale value is, I'm gonna divide them up into lots and sell them like that. Or if the price isn't super great, I will just sell all of them so I can get a better price and see how much they sell for. But these are nice Tupperware things, perfect for somebody that has a daycare. I got this guy out of somebody's free pile. It's a little candle holder. This is only selling for like $15 plus shipping. I don't know if I'm gonna list it or not. I just thought I should save it, but it is a really cool ceramic pumpkin little candle holder, and the little light shines in his little mouth. It's so cute. The retail on this is $3.97 from Kmart, which is kind of funny. I'd like to see what the date is on this. I don't know, but it has to be a long time ago for something this heavy and substantial to be $4. Sale was everything was half off, so I got this cute little like lingerie set. So it's like velvety. So here's the little slip, and it comes with little pants, and then it also comes with a robe. Very nice little set. It's a size small medium, and I think I paid $2 for this. Our little kids' Stride Right shoes. I really bought these to probably take to Once Upon a Child if they're not gonna be something that my kid will wear, but they are a size 2.6M. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna take these to Once Upon a Child because Stride Rights are very high quality, I think, and I think I paid $1. Some Carhartt insulated overalls that I think I'm going to use for our children, so I paid $10. These are some cute little like sleep shorts that I am going to keep for myself. They are a size large. Otherwise, after I'm done with them, I will sell them. Run these through the washing machine as they are a little bit dirty, but these are Keens. Again, these were $1, and if my kid is not interested in them, I will take them to Once Upon a Child, and they'll probably give me, you know, a few more dollars than I paid for these, and that'll all be good. These bogs for around $2, and they are a youth size 2. These should go for $25 to $30 plus shipping. So got these Columbia boots. They do have some wear, but they are a youth size 2 as well, and I will take these to Once Upon a Child just to get my quick dollars back. Also get these Lucky Brand boots. I paid $2 for these again, and they are a women's size 9. Leather upper, nice style boots. Not expecting amazing comps on these, but 20 to 25, I'm guessing. Got this vintage light up Budweiser sign. It does say that it works, and I do know the person that I bought this from, so I do believe that it does work, and comps were like over $100 on this. I did pay $25, so we'll see. It's not too big where it's gonna be really hard to ship, but interested to see what this brings. These are a pair of Coach flip-flops. I could probably put Y2K in the title of these. They are a women's size 6. I paid $2 for them, and they look legit to me, so they feel really great quality. I got this handmade baby quilt, and this isn't this Holly Hobby? Like the little lady in the bonnet that never looks at you. I think this is Holly Hobby, and certain Holly Hobby like things go for good money. I have no idea. I know Holly Hobby fabric goes for good money, but I'm not sure what a finished piece would go for, but it was $2, so I said, why not? Our Born little like slide on Sherpa little slippers. These should do good this year, and they are a size, they're a size, I can't find it right now, but they think these were like $3 to $4. These are another Y2K moment. These are some First Kiss in a size 8 little slip-on clogs. Hopefully they don't disintegrate. Is size 40, 32 Carhartt overalls. Again, this is Carhartt USA. I find so many of these, and I probably paid $5 to $10 for it. Twisted X shoes. These were only priced at $4, and a lot of times, Twisted X's are another brand that are like highly coveted around here. People price them at their garage sales for like 40 bucks. I don't know how much these will go for because I've never actually thrifted any at a good price, but we shall see. $5. This is a Snapple cooler. I have no idea why I bought this. I thought it was cool. I don't know how much this is gonna go for, but this might be something where like somebody was like a Snapple rep. Smells like Snapple. Maybe this is something that only like Snapple reps got, which in that case it might be good. I don't know, it was only $5, and I thought, I could probably ship that to this garage sale as they were setting up, and it was a good thing I did because I got all of these. These are all vintage Harley Davidson bandanas. They wanted $4 a piece for them, but she gave all of these, I think there's 14 for 30 bucks, so like $2 a piece, a little over $2 a piece. I did see like comps. You can sell them individually for like $14 a piece, $15 a piece, but lotted up, I had some going over $100. So this is something that I might put on auction just to see how high they go. But really, really great bandanas, and they all look super vibrant. Like, they're very crisp and vibrant, like they haven't been worn. So really happy with that. So found these cats. These are Sexton cats. And I didn't realize how good they were until I looked them up at the sale. I like passed them by and I was like, you know what? These actually look very mid-century modern. And I know that is really trendy right now. So I looked up Sexton cats, and I'm so glad I did, because this set of cats, there's 3 of them in here. They do have some wear. So all of them kind of have some chipping to them. Comps on these are $250 to $300. Now, I don't think I'm going to get that much because of the chipping, but they're consistently selling for that price on eBay. So have high hopes for these, possibly $150 to $200. I paid $3. Editing Shay here. I also got an amazing find that I forgot to, it must have been buried. I forgot to show you guys, but it's this tub of 1980s G.I. Joe stuff. All of it is marked like 1983 to 1987. And I'm just going to put it on auction on eBay. There's like lots of pieces. I have no idea what any of them go to, but G.I. Joe stuff from the 1980s goes for a ton of money. I was super excited. I got the entire bin for $25 at the storage unit auction. And I think it's going to bring like $150 to possibly $250, just depending on how much the stuff goes for. But there is so many accessories, so many vehicles, lots of stuff. It does need cleaned, which I'm not going to do. I'm just going to do it as an as-is lot, but excited to see what those bring. This is the last item of the haul, other than things that I got for my own family, which, like, if they're not like stuffed in the bags, you honestly probably don't want to know that stuff. But I did get this, what's it called? Jane Seymour little comforter. This is like very country cottage, classic country king bedroom set. I believe it's king. I'm pretty sure it's king. I paid $5 for this whole set. The lady said it's in perfect condition. She just didn't want it anymore, but I should be able to sell this for over $100 on eBay. So I'm very happy with that pickup, and that is something that I will take upstairs and photograph on my own bed. Even though it's a pain, it will yield a great return. I'm sweaty, and that is the end of my haul. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. How do you think I did? That last hurrah was definitely a huge, huge, huge haul. I'm so glad I went. I'm so glad I got all these great items to list on eBay and Poshmark to sell for a profit. And yeah, we got our work cut out for us. Good thing I have Pro e-commerce lister to send all of these items photos to, so I can get them up in a timely manner. Have a great rest of your day and happy listing. Bye.